Hey school age, Miss Janie and I miss you guys so much. We put together a fun Friday activity. If you guys want to learn how to do it, keep watching. The only materials you will need are some pieces of paper and something to draw with. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper, our marker, and our hand. We're going to trace around our hand and make sure we label which hand this is. So this is my left hand. I'm going to put an L at the top for left. Now we want to make sure that we make 4 left hands, 4 right hands, 4 right feet, and 4 left feet.
Now you're ready for Miss Janelle to tell you how you're going to play the game. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we look forward to bringing more videos. Have a great day. We miss you.
Now this part can get a little bit tricky. You might need to ask your parents for some help. You want to place 3 pieces of paper in each row. It doesn't matter which order they're in, you just need to be sure that you don't put the same hand or the same foot in the same row. Play the game, we're going to match our hands and our feet to the right pieces of paper. Feel free to move them around. Be careful that you don't slip and have fun.